Imagine a world where every sunrise brings not just light, but power to fuel your dreams. With the ABS 2.0 series bifacial monocrystalline solar panels, that world is now within your reach. Picture this: sleek, high-efficiency panels absorbing sunlight from both sides, maximizing energy output, from a remarkable 585 watts to an incredible 620 watts. These aren't just solar panels, they're your gateway to a brighter, more sustainable future. Through torrential rains and fierce winds, the ABS 2.0 panels stand resilient. Built with IP68 certified durability, they are designed to weather any storm, ensuring your power never falters. Ease and compatibility? We've got you covered. Installation is a breeze, making it seamless to transform your home or business into a hub of renewable energy. And the best part? Your investment is backed by a reliable replacement guarantee, because your peace of mind matters as much as your power.